Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss if you are new, and if you are a returning little yarn gremlin, welcome back. Happy to have you no matter what. I hope that everybody is doing well, and this video finds you well whatever time of day or night this video reaches you. So, I have just a short little kind of, I don't know, I guess catch up. I don't really have much to say. I don't really have a lot to show. I know it sounds so exciting. Please stay tuned. If you are a small like crafter or have a small business or I don't know, something, stay tuned for later in the video for a collaboration. I'd like to collaborate with some of you. But I don't really have like any yarn hauls. I haven't bought anything and I haven't finished anything, but I am working on a really big WIP, so I'm going to show you my progress on that. Okay, so I hope, as I dig this out, I hope everybody is doing well. I hope you guys had a good holiday season. And 2025 is treating you well already. It's been crazy, as life tends to be. There's been some pretty massively big life changes for me. So just, doing life. So if you guys remember, this is the Persian Tile Afghan kit for Mary Maxim. This one is the Persian Tile Rose Garden. This thing is beat up. I'm rough on my stuff. So this is what I'm making for my mom, and I kind of have like, I'm trying to get this done very quickly so that she can enjoy it as much as she can. And I am really proud of myself. Like, this is all I've been focusing on, and normally my ADD does not let me do that. But I have been focusing this down, trying to get it done quickly. Well, I buckled around Christmas time, and I showed her what I was making her. And she wants it bigger, so I've got to make more of the little pieces to it. So I'm going to have to order some yarn, which I missed out. Mary Maxim had a 25% off coupon, and I think it expired, so oopsie. But okay, so here, are you a hexagon or octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Octagon. Okay, so here is the octagons. So you're supposed to make 16 of these, but my mom wants it bigger. She wants it to cover her whole bed. So I figured out how to like alter the pattern. So I'm adding 8 more of these. So I love it. I think it's super pretty. Instead of it being the Stylcraft DK or the Mellow Spun DK, they sent Premier anti-peeling everyday DK. I like this yarn. This is a really nice acrylic. I kind of, now that I have the pattern, want to like dye up a bunch of yarn and make this out of merino. But I'm making it for I'm making the blue and orange version for myself, and I know I'm basically going to suffer through that one because I don't like making stuff twice. There's no way I'm going to be able to do it 3 times. Absolutely zero chance. So, I don't know. Anyway, so I have 16 of these made. And then, so I have to make 8 more. And then in between all of those sits these squares, which I had to make 9, but I made 15 because I needed to make more for the pattern. And then you'll like, this fits in between all of the octagons. Anyway, and then there's little triangles. I haven't made those yet, but I have made well, I did make all of these, now I gotta make more. But I have made all of these. So I know that probably doesn't seem like a lot. Most of you probably could have knocked this out already, like in a week or two, but I'm just not that fast. And I've had stuff going on, so I haven't been able to. Well, anyway, so these bad boys are big though. Like, they're really cool. It's such a beautiful pattern. I really like it. And these kits are cool because it really is one of those things that, like, I will be making more of them. You know, it's nice to just, like, be able to knock a square out, or a square or two a day, or focus on a row or two of many of these or something like that. Work on a main project and then work on this, you know, a little bit here and there, where over time you just get it done. And that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to always be working on a blanket or an Afghan kit or something like that. So there is that. Now, I have a question. So I'm going to post this video tomorrow. When I go to put my Mary Maxim order in for the premiere, the reason I was doing it with Mary Maxim is because that 25% off coupon. But now that I don't have that, I'm just gonna, whichever place it would be cheaper. I don't know who ships faster, but I don't live too far away from the Mary Maxim, like, warehouse, so I would imagine that they will probably get to me faster, being in Michigan. So my question to you is, out of Mary Maxim and Premier Yarns, is there any yarns you guys would like to see me get and try? I don't know. Also, outside of Mary Maxim and Premier, is there any new yarns? I have not been on YouTube. I've only uploaded one video. This will now be 2. I still have not watched anybody else's videos or anything like that. I haven't gone to any yarn stores. I haven't been on any yarn websites. So I don't have any idea. So is there any new yarn that I should check out that you guys think I would like, or that you guys would like to see me show on here? But yeah, with the Mary Maxim or the Premier or whatever, if there's anything else I should get, I'll wait to do my order for the extra bit of yarn for these, to see the comment section of this video, to see if there's anything I should add on to it. So, but yeah, so I gotta order the rest of the yarn for this one and for my other kit that I have. Okay, so the only other thing, stay. Okay, I'm talking to the bag, not a dog. The only other thing is, I briefly touched on this in my subscription box release video that I did yesterday. So if there is any small crafters or creators, Etsy shop owners, whatever the case may be, and you have a product that you would like to collaborate where it goes in my monthly box, we could collaborate for a month or 2 months or however many months, you know, you kind of want to do it. You know, maybe you make buttons, maybe you make stitch markers, or I don't know. My brain, I can't think of anything right now, but hit me up at the fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com email, and maybe we could collaborate. So it'll basically be like an even exchange. You know, we'll figure out how many skeins of you know, hanks of yarn of the monthly box that we'll exchange or whatever, but it'll be an exchange of goods pretty much. And so let me know if you would be interested, because I think that could be a lot of fun. So I have lots of ideas for this year for color packs and special like small mini series releases of yarn for Full Spectrum. And then I have my first merch item, which is in this month's box, but I'm going to try to work on more things with my logo on them. The stitch sampler blanket, of course the baby stuff, the baby shower stuff, and then oh my gosh, I just left right out of my brain parts. Bring back some, not many, but you know, maybe a few live dyes, some dyeing videos, and I don't know. So let me know what content you'd like to see, and if you're a member, you as well. So I hope everybody is doing well. Hope it's okay that it was a short video, but I will see you guys later. I'm gonna go work on finishing up a tutorial that was supposed to release before Christmas, but life. So I'm still gonna release it because it's still wintry. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. I will see everybody later.